Cricket Creek Recreation Area is located on the Long Creek arm of Table Rock Lake, as shown circled in red. Join us as we drive through the property so you'll know what to expect. Be sure to stay till the end for an animated map showing you how to get here. The campground area offers flushable restrooms and hot showers that are clean and well maintained. And they are all designed for easy wheelchair access. You will also find vault toilets located by the swimming and playground area. Cricket Creek may be one of the smaller Corps of Engineer properties found on Table Rock Lake, but don't let that fool you. There are 37 large campsites available that include water and electricity, and some also have sewer hookups. There is a well-maintained dump station with easy access and dumpsters on the property. The roads in the campground can get a little tight, but we did see some 28 to 30 foot rigs camped here. While this is a beautiful area, we wouldn't recommend rigs any larger than 32 feet. We have included a link to the park's official map and website in the description. As we head towards the marina, we found some nice picnic tables with pretty views of the water. There is plenty of parking at the marina. They also have a boat ramp and boat slips, allowing you to launch and store your boat without worry. You will also find a second boat launch by the swimming and playground area. At the Cricket Creek Marina, you will find boat and equipment rentals, annual and nightly boat slip rentals, fishing license, a full convenience store, and more. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you are finding this video to be helpful. Leave a comment if you have ever stayed here or would like to in the future. Then subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos. It's free and it will let us know we are doing something helpful for others. As we approach the day-use swimming, playground, and picnic area, we are in awe of the beautiful view of the lake. This is amazing, don't you agree? Be sure to have your National Parks Pass in hand to get free access to the day use area, as well as 50% off the nightly camping fees. Getting to the park is very easy. While on Highway 65, about 12 miles south of Branson, Missouri, just south of the Missouri-Arkansas state line, take Highway 14 west and travel 6 miles to arrive at the park entrance. Thank you for spending some time with us today. We hope this video has been helpful for you and your family. Be sure to check out our other videos shown here. We wish you safe travels, and always remember, have fun. Let's travel!